Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Channels of Machinery. Fishing has been a fundamental human activity for thousands of years, providing a crucial source of protein for communities worldwide. The process of capturing, handling, and processing fish has evolved tremendously, especially with modern technology and the need to maintain high standards of food safety. The journey from sea to table involves a meticulous series of steps designed to maximize both quality and sustainability. In this article, we'll take a deep dive into how fish are caught, processed, and delivered to ensure that consumers enjoy safe, fresh, and high-quality seafood. At sea, commercial fishing is done using a variety of techniques. One of the most common methods is trawl fishing, where large nets are dragged behind a boat to catch schools of fish like cod, herring, or mackerel. These nets can extend for hundreds of meters and are designed to capture fish en masse, making them ideal for large-scale fishing operations. Another popular method is seine fishing, where nets encircle a school of fish, allowing the fishermen to scoop up the entire group. Once the fish are caught in the nets or on the lines, the next step is to haul them aboard the fishing vessel. This is a labor-intensive process, requiring skilled fishermen to bring in the heavy nets, sort the catch, and discard any non-target or undersized species back into the sea. Sorting the fish is a critical part of the process. Fishermen will categorize the catch by species, size, and quality. Any fish that do not meet the standards for sale, such as those that are too small or damaged, are often thrown back into the ocean in an effort to conserve resources. In recent years, some operations have also implemented technology that helps minimize waste, ensuring that every part of the fish is utilized where possible. The quicker the catch is processed, the better the quality of the fish. Time is of the essence because the longer the fish remains exposed to the elements, the greater the risk of spoilage. One of the most crucial steps in the seafood supply chain is ensuring that the fish are handled correctly as soon as they are brought aboard. Fish must be gutted, cleaned, and often bled to prevent spoilage. Gutting involves removing the internal organs of the fish, which can begin to break down rapidly if left intact, leading to bacterial growth and off flavors. By removing these parts and thoroughly cleaning the fish, fishermen can maintain the freshness and flavor of the product. In some cases, particularly on large, industrial fishing vessels, the fish will undergo an initial round of processing right there at sea. This could include filleting, where the fish are cut into smaller, boneless portions. This step is often carried out by specialized workers aboard larger factory ships, which are equipped with machinery to streamline the process. By the time the vessel returns to shore, much of the labor-intensive work has already been completed. In some regions, long lining is used, where baited hooks are suspended on long lines that can stretch for miles in the open ocean. This technique is often employed to catch species like tuna or swordfish. Each method is selected based on the target species and location, ensuring that the right types of fish are caught while minimizing the impact on the surrounding ecosystem. For sustainability, many fishing operations follow strict regulations, including quotas, seasonal limits, and the use of gear designed to minimize bycatch, the accidental capture of non-target species. The goal is to maintain healthy fish populations while supporting the livelihoods of the people and communities who depend on them. Freezing is another key step, especially for operations far from shore or those targeting fish that will be sold in frozen form. The fish are quickly flash frozen, often within hours of being caught. This process involves rapidly lowering the temperature of the fish to prevent ice crystals from forming, which can damage the delicate flesh. By freezing the fish as soon as possible, companies ensure that it retains its freshness, texture, and nutritional value until it reaches the consumer. Once on land, the fish are taken to processing plants where the final round of filleting, skinning, scaling, or deboning is completed. This step is essential for preparing the fish for various markets, whether it's for whole fish sales, pre-packaged fillets, or further processing into products like fish sticks or canned goods. For certain species, this may also include smoking, drying, or salting to preserve the fish for longer-term storage. To ensure safety, all seafood processing plants adhere to rigorous quality control standards. These plants are subject to regular inspections by food safety authorities, and workers are trained in the proper handling of fish to prevent contamination. Any fish destined for export also undergoes further scrutiny to meet international standards for food safety.
Horseshoe crab egg take and fertilization. Female specimen gamete collection from previously designated bait crabs. Male specimen gamete coection from previously designated bait crabs. Eggs collected and fertilized. Roughly 3 weeks later, and we can detect movement in the eggs as they swell and burst from the protective outer shell. You can clearly see larvae inside the eggs. Pump system circulates and separates newly hatched larvae from developing eggs. A little over a month, and some crabs have emerged from the eggs and have begun walking. Hatched larvae are transferred into trays where they have room to grow. Technicians monitor larvae until the molt into the second instar. The something remarkable happens. The larvae began to molt, first one, then many. Molted crabs are considerably larger than the larva. Here you can see the newly emerged crab with its telson, a molt and larva. When juvenile crabs have developed enough, they're processed for release. Juvenile cracks are released in a shallow, protected embayment. You can see the newly released juvenile crabs already burrowing into the environment, seeking shelter and nourishment.
The Ryko 260 automatic crab butchering machine is a state-of-the-art innovation in seafood processing, designed to optimize the efficiency and precision of crab butchering operations. This machine is engineered to handle high volumes of crab processing with remarkable speed and consistency, making it ideal for large-scale seafood production facilities. One of the key features of the Ryko 260 is its ability to automate the delicate process of crab butchering while maintaining the integrity of the meat. The machine efficiently cuts and cleans crabs, removing the shell and unwanted parts, while preserving the valuable meat inside. This ensures that each crab is processed with minimal waste, maximizing the yield for processors. The machine is designed with food safety and hygiene in mind. Its stainless steel construction is resistant to corrosion and easy to clean, meeting industry standards for sanitation. Additionally, the Ryko 260 is equipped with adjustable settings that allow operators to tailor the machine's performance to the specific size and type of crab being processed, enhancing flexibility and reducing downtime. Another significant advantage of the Ryko 260 is its contribution to labor savings. By automating tasks that traditionally required manual labor, this machine reduces the need for a large workforce, which can help lower operating costs while increasing production output. Furthermore, the machine's precision reduces the risk of injury associated with manual crab processing. The Ryko 260 automatic crab butchering machine is a game-changer in the seafood industry. Its efficiency, precision, and ability to minimize waste make it a valuable asset for any crab processing line, providing both economic and operational benefits to seafood producers.
Ocean Crown's crab meat processing technology is a state-of-the-art system designed to enhance efficiency, product quality, and sustainability in the seafood industry. The processing line is specifically engineered to handle the delicate nature of crabs, ensuring minimal damage to the meat while maximizing yield. The process begins with freshly caught crabs, which are quickly delivered to the facility to maintain freshness. After inspection for quality, the crabs are steamed at precise temperatures, preserving the flavor and texture of the meat. This steaming process is crucial, as it softens the shells while allowing the crab meat to retain its natural moisture. Once steamed, the crabs move on to the cooling and sorting stage. Here, they are rapidly cooled to prevent bacterial growth. The crabs are then sorted into various grades based on size and quality, ensuring that only the best crabs proceed to the next stage. The key innovation in Ocean Crown's technology lies in the automated meat extraction system. Traditional methods often result in lost or damaged meat, but Ocean Crown's advanced equipment gently separates the meat from the shell with minimal breakage. This automated process allows for a higher yield of premium-grade crab meat ready for packaging. Finally, the meat undergoes a stringent quality control process, including visual inspections and automated scanning to detect any shell fragments or impurities. Once cleared, the meat is vacuum sealed and packaged to preserve its freshness, flavor, and nutritional value before being shipped worldwide. Ocean Crown's crab processing line not only guarantees a superior product, but also reflects the company's commitment to efficiency, sustainability, and quality in seafood processing.